Welcome to our channel. Today we are discussing about angles. Angle. Angle is nothing but of joining of two line segment. Two line segments. This is one line segment. This one is one line segment. If we denote as AB line segment and other is AC line segment. These two line segments are joined at a point. This point is angle A and form an angle. That angle is theta. This is angle. This is we denoted by angle ABC, BCD or anything. But here we take B, first is B, A, C. This is angle. We denote as this symbol. Next we are discussing about different type of angles. First one is acute angle. Acute angle. Acute angle is nothing but the value of angle is less than 90 degrees and greater than 0 degrees. If we take an angle, this angle is theta. Here we have theta. Angle ABC. This value is 0 degrees. Greater than 0 degrees and less than 90 degrees. That means here we have acute angle. Second one is right angle. Second one is right angle. Right angle is nothing but 90 degrees. If angle between two line segments is 90 degrees, then that is called right angle. 90 degrees. Okay. This is called right angle. Third one is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is nothing but angle. Angle value is between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. Is called obtuse angle. We draw two line segments like this. This is AB line segment. This is BC line segment. Then we have here theta value. This value is greater than 90 degrees. Where is 90 degrees? This is 90 degrees. But this value is greater than 90 degrees. So this is obtuse angle. Between of 90 degrees, greater than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. This is called obtuse angle. Next one is straight angle. Straight angle. Straight angle means 80 degrees. Straight angle. Straight angle. We draw this like this. Here two line segments. AB is one line segment, BC is other line segment. We discuss about right angle triangle and obtuse angle. This is right angle, this is obtuse angle, and after this if this line segments move towards left, then we have this straight line. Between of these two lines we have theta value. This is called straight angle, and this theta value is equals to 180 degrees. When angle is 180 degrees, then that is called straight angle. Next one is reflex angle. Reflex angle. Reflex angle. Reflex angle means greater than 180 degrees. That angle is formed like this. First one AB line segment. Second is BC line segment. Here we observe theta here only. Here reflex angle is formed. This value is greater than 180. This is 180 degrees. This is 90 degrees. So more than 180 degrees is called reflex angle. Theta value is less than 360 and greater than 180 degrees. It's called reflex angle. Next is complementary angle. Complementary complementary angle. No, next one is complete angle. Complete angle means complete angle. Complete angle is nothing but 360 degrees. Complete means what is the angle? Total angle is 360 degrees. In minutes, and we observe that is rotating 360 degrees. This is called 360 degrees theta. Then that angle is called complete angle. If theta value is 360, then that is called complete angle. Thank you for watching.